bottle holder placement area, system upgrade area, pedal connection, power supply, heat dissipation area. The first step, connect the power supply. Second step, then connect the pedals. Make sure the red dot up. Turn on the power. Next, insert the water pipe. The blue side is the water inlet. The transparent side is the water outlet. Hanging saline bottle. Make sure there is more than 500 milliliters. Open the pump cover. Snap the tube into the peristaltic pump. Close the lid. Blue matches blue. Red matches red. Insert the temperature measurement cable. Display real-time temperature. Swivel interconnect coaxial cable. Spin to the end. To connect the other side to the antenna. Foot pedal. Water circulation. Reset. Power setting. Ablation time setting. Real-time temperature display of the shaft. Antenna model. Self-test system. Ablation prescription. Setting system. Need to perform self-test before starting the ablation. Choose a damp gauze and wrap it around the tip of the needle. Pay attention to aseptic operation here and use medical alcohol or iodophor to wet the gauze. Start water circulation. Ensure the water cooling cycle operates correctly. Press the self-test button. If problems happened, the following prompts will appear on the screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to solve the problem. If it runs normally, only waiting for the self-test to complete OK. During the self-test, lightly touch the tip with your finger. Feel the heat on the tip. Next, let us start in 30 watt, 1 minute ablation. Press start button. Attention that here, you can choose to press the button, or choose to step on the pedal and start the ablation. Waiting until completed. Ablation prescription. Currently we have thyroid model, lung model, liver model. You can also add the mode you want according to your needs. For example, 50 watt ablation for 3 minutes. Setup completed. Finally, in the settings system, you can find your ablation data here, troubleshooting, and other basic settings. After ablation complete, pull out the cable. Take out the pipe.